Hello, welcome to watch this uh, video series of developer preview material for how to get your hands on the ball development. I'll start from the very scratch, creating an account for our Devis developer or DevDev the ball. And I'll show a few basic things, but I start first with logging in and creating an account, which will take a few seconds or few tenths of seconds depending on the developer load. So let's get started with that, and I'll explain further on with that. So we start with the devdev.theball.me. It supports right now signing in either with Google or Yahoo. I mainly use the Google, but in this demo I use the Yahoo part. As with OpenID, the Yahoo will ask whether you trust the devdev.theball, and once I click on agree, it starts to create the account structures. So I keep on explaining what we do on the demo while it's creating the account. Once the account is created, I will be registering my email and confirm that I own it, because the platform will then use that email to validate my actions against the groups, for instance, where I'm the main moderator, as that we call an initiator. I'll enter a few personal details and continue on to creating a group as well. And then we, after that, test some functionality alongside of that group. So now it created me an account. I'll show through logging out and logging in that it's a bit faster when we come in again. So usually when you have the existing account, it's much faster to log in. Then I go to my identity, and the current UI is enforcing to kind of registering the email first. So I let the platform send me the validation email. It doesn't trust me on that email before I go and confirm it. So I go to my demo account on Yahoo, check out my mail. There is now welcoming mail to the ball development. It's saying where it came from, the devdev.theball.me. Once I click through that and note that I need to be logged in with the same Yahoo account, it validated me in here. Now I have two tabs of the same thing. This web template is not auto-refreshing its pages. I'll show it later on, but I can also refresh the main page and get to my account again, which now allows me to enter my identity as well. And I'll save it and proceed on creating a new test group. Dev demo. Creating a group will also take a few seconds because it's creating the structures for it. So I'll revisit what we are supposed to do with the group. I'll test the functionality so that we can see that asynchronous processing and Lucene indexer is working. So I create few text contents to demonstrate that they start to appear, and then I enter certain specific content such as IX body 1 and common and IX body 2 and common to kind of validate that the Lucene indexing will find the common on both of the articles, but the IX body part only on the respective ones. Okay, so now our group is created, and what you see here is our now current kind of used piloting template. On the further videos I'll show how we can modify the web templates that have been running to get kind of better experience on that. So I add now few test content 1, extest1 and common as body. I'll keep it thin. Save this one. Now if it appears on the page, it means that the asynchronous processing ran just fine. Yes, there it is. Now I make another one, test content 2 and Ajax body 2 and common in here. And save the changes. And there we have the both of them. Then I go and hardcode to my test HTML page, which should be named like that, and get a bit different view of the same stuff. And I'll go to my search settings in here. Try to search for the common first. It should give me 2 articles. Yes, it gives them both. And then I try Ajax body 1. Okay, I used some other. Let's go and revalidate what I wrote in there. Ajax test 1 is on that one. Did I use the same? And Ajax body 2. So Ajax test 1 and Ajax body 2 are there. Ajax test 1 should give me 1. Yes. This is also the demonstration that the page can be dynamically updated. And there should be, yes. And rechecking the common gives the cached version first and then the other one. Okay, so this is confirming we got the basic setup up and running. I'll add new videos for actually showing how the development environment then runs.